Okay, listen all of you students. Today we are going to discuss about magnetic moment. Okay, तो magnetic moment क्या है देखो magnetic moment. Okay, so it can be defined as the product of current I and multiply by area vector A. So this is for area loop of the vector loop A. So therefore it is equals to M. Okay, so generally, so this is what it is defined as product of current I and the area vector A. It is called magnetic moment. Okay, so SI unit of this magnetic moment is current measured in ampere, area measured in meter square. So it is always a vector quantity. Always a vector quantity. So remember. So we will see one by one how to calculate magnetic moment of different shape. So like this. Okay, for example आपको एक सर्कल है, so which carries current I. Okay, so center point से यहाँ तक R. So what is the magnetic moment? So magnetic moment of this circular coil is M is equals to product of current बोले तो I cross area of loop. So it is one loop of area, that is pi R square. This is magnetic moment. So second example, so take a square or rectangular, so like this, current is I. Okay, magnetic moment M is equals to current into area of the loop into A square. Okay, so third one, take a triangle, so triangle of side A, current is I. What is the magnetic moment? So current into area of the loop is how much? 1/2 into height into breadth. So A into A, that is IA square by 2. So this is about magnetic moment. How to calculate? So next is moving coil galvanometer. Okay, so this is not important for exam purpose, so just इसका information है आपको. So what is the principle of moving coil galvanometer means we will ask for 1 marks question like this much only. Definition. So moving coil galvanometer, it is a device used to detect and measure the electric current or small electric current के पता करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, हम मूविंग कॉइल गैल्वेनोमीटर. So this is for practical purpose, so you have to remember only to check and detect the small electric current flowing in circuit or not. So इसका definition. Okay, so what is the principle of this means? So principle, so उसका principle है, it is based on when current carrying loop or like this. So one loop के अंदर करंट कैरी होता है तो इट प्रोड्यूसेस टॉर्क. सो इस टॉर्क के ऊपर इसका प्रिंसिपल है. सो इट इज़ प्लेस्ड इन यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, इट एक्सपीरियंसेस ए टॉर्क. सो टॉर्क प्रोड्यूस करता है तो दिस टॉर्क विल बी प्रोपोर्शनल टू करंट आई. So it experiences a current due to which there is a torque in the loop. This is principle of moving coil galvanometer. So इसके अंदर कुछ definition है तो you have to remember. Next, figure of merit of galvanometer. Next is figure of merit of galvanometer. Okay, so this is indicated by K. So K का देखिए, so what K indicates is figure of merit of galvanometer. So K is equals to Ig divided by N. So Ig nothing but current in the galvanometer. N indicates number of turns, divisions. So K is figure of merit of galvanometer. So minimum current. So this is minimum current required to deflect one division. So this is figure of merit of galvanometer. Okay. So Ig is what? It is Ig is करंट, फुल स्केल करंट, इसको बोलते हैं हम Ig इज फुल स्केल करंट और it is amount of current required to produce one deflection. So if you have this coil यानी कि मूविंग कॉइल, सो इसके अंदर जीरो पोजीशन पे एक रहेगा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 30 डिविजन्स रहेंगे. ओके ना. सो 0 to 30 डिवीजन के लिए वहाँ पे कुछ लाइनिंग्स है. तो एक डिवीजन डिफ्लेक्ट होना बोले तो हाउ मच इज करंट इज रिक्वायर्ड, दैट इज व्हाट फुल स्केल करंट. ओके, दैट इज फिगर ऑफ मेरिट ऑफ galvanometer. K is equals to Ig divided by N. So N indicates number of division or N. Okay, next is current sensitivity. So what is sensitivity? So to have the current, when amount of deflection produced when unit of current passes through it. So तो amount of deflection वहाँ पे कितना प्रोड्यूस हुआ डिफ्लेक्शन के लिए, तो वहाँ पे एक यूनिट ऑफ करंट कितना प्रोड्यूस पास करते हैं उसको करंट सेंसिटिविटी बोलते हैं. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी. नेक्स्ट इज वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी. सो वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी का मतलब है अमाउंट ऑफ डिफ्लेक्शन टू प्रोड्यूस व्हेन 1 यूनिट ऑफ वोल्टेज इज अप्लाइड. सो एक डिफ्लेक्शन के लिए कितना वोल्टेज अप्लाई करना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड वोल्टेज और वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी. रिमेंबर, दिस इज नॉट फॉर इम्पोर्टेंट पर्पस, so just you have to remember the definitions.